Have you ever wondered why one specific pizza became a global legend? Today, we are uncovering the surprising history of the BBQ chicken pizza and revealing exactly who invented this iconic dish. California Pizza Kitchen, founded in Beverly Hills in 1985 by attorneys Rick Rosenfield and Larry Flax, did not just serve food in a all-country pizza culture, they revolutionized pizza culture. They are credited with creating the original BBQ chicken pizza. The secret to their legendary success lies in a specific combination, tangy barbecue sauce paired with grilled chicken and a unique smoky cheese blend that you simply cannot find on a standard menu. When this original version was created in 1985, it featured fresh cilantro, scallions, and red onions to cut through the richness of the meat and sauce, transforming a simple topping into a flavor profile. They also introduced smoked Gouda cheese to add depth and an applewood smoked bacon option for those who wanted extra savory notes alongside the grilled chicken toppings. This innovation allowed the dish to appeal to both casual diners and foodies, proving that a specific regional style could become a staple of modern American cuisine decades ago. While early experiments failed, this BBQ chicken creation stood the test of time, evolving from a single restaurant experiment in California into the most famous pizza topping in history. So now you know the story behind the sauce and the cheese. What is your favorite pizza topping combination? Let me know in the comments below.